This is my second video for the DVB T2. Okay, if you watch my previous video, I am showing this using the audio video cable. So for this video, I'm going to show you if I using the HDMI cable, what will be happen. Okay, what will be happen. So I now change the port first. Wait. So now I already put in the HDMI cable and take out all the audio video cable. Okay, oh yeah, very dark over here. I already put in to my TV. Okay, put two. So now it's off mode. If you can see off mode. So wait. So now I in the HDMI cable. So I try to switch on now. Okay, it boot. Yeah, show out. It 720p. Okay. What I getting, you see, HDMI. Okay. Okay. Is what happened? Switch on the way. Nothing is coming out. I try to press a menu. Okay, nothing coming out. Mean it's not connection at all. So I try that method, plug in and plug out. Okay. After I plug in, plug out, nothing happened. No connection at all, no audio, no display, no image. Okay, never mind. I try to plug in the audio video cable, see what will happen. So now I already plugged in the audio video port. I choose my TV input. Hope you can help. It's a number 4 input. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. No problem at all. You can see. So I slow the sound because in the early morning. Okay. So what I'm trying to do now to change the input to the HDMI input, which is number 2. Okay. It's a HDMI input. But nothing showing up. Okay. Okay. Go back to the audio video cable. Okay. So I try to select the menu, see what feature it have. For the port, I can change it. Picture. Maybe video output, I choose to. Okay, I got 2 options. I try to change to CVBS. See what will happen. Yeah, okay. So I now go to put. Yeah. See, nothing happened. You have 720p signal just now. So that's all. For the temporary, I still cannot discover why the HDMI mode unable to function. If you guys know how to the solution, please share the comment to us and leave a comment. Share the method to us. Just leave a comment. And I hope you enjoy this video. So if you like my video, please give me a like and please subscribe to my 2M channel. Okay. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.